Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Google Authenticator for Facebook. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. So open your Facebook app and at the bottom right corner you can tap on the hamburger menu. Now at the top here you have Meta Account Center, you can tap on it. And then you're going to go over to Account Settings and tap on Password and Security. Here at the top under Logging and Recovery, you can see two-factor authentication. Tap on it and then you're going to select the account, which is your Facebook. And then right here you have three options. We have the first one, the authentication app, which is recommended, and we're going to tap on Next. So right here there are three steps to follow. You need to have your authentication app, which we have already, and we're going to be using Google Authenticator. So in the second step you have the QR code to copy or to copy the key. We're going to tap on Copy Key and then go over to Google Authenticator. Now right here in our Google Authenticator, at the bottom right corner you can see the plus icon. Tap on it and then you have two options. Select Enter a setup key and then we're going to put in the account name, put in the security key and leave it on time-based. So now we've added the account name, the security key and the type of key is under time-based. We're going to tap on Add. So now that the code has been added, we're going to copy this code by tapping on it, go over to Facebook, tap on Next, and then we're going to put in the code which we copied from our Google Authenticator. Tap on Next, and now you can see the two-factor authentication is on. So with this, you can now use your Google Authenticator for Facebook. Tap on Done, and the step is completed. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.